Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you make a delicious steak dinner in the forest. First, gather your essential cooking tools, like a sturdy cast iron pan and tongs. Don't forget your favorite non-perishable seasonings, such as salt, pepper, and garlic powder, to elevate the flavor. Finally, select a safe, level spot for your cooking fire or portable stove, ensuring it's clear of any flammable materials. Next, focus on your heat source. If using a campfire, build a stable fire and let it burn down to a bed of hot, glowing coals for consistent heat. For a portable stove, ensure it's on a level, non-flammable surface. Once your heat source is ready, place your cast iron pan over it and allow it to preheat thoroughly for several minutes. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the main event. Generously season your steak on both sides with your chosen spices just before it hits the hot pan. Sear the steak for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a delicious medium-rare finish. Always use a meat thermometer to confirm it reaches your desired internal temperature, ensuring perfect doneness every time. Once cooked, remove your steak from the heat and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Finally, slice your steak against the grain and serve it immediately, enjoying your perfectly cooked forest dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.